Can you really make kebabs without skewers right in a skillet? Let's find out. Okay, 3 tips to make this beef kebab koobideh perfect. Tip number 1, add 1 egg and knead until sticky so the kebab never crumbles in the skillet. Tip number 2, knead about 60 to 90 seconds until the meat feels tacky, sticky, so it holds together like a real kebab. And tip number 3, shape them like a short kebab logs, lightly smash, then leave them alone in the pan for about 3 minutes per side. No moving, no flipping early. That's how you build a deep crust and keep the juices locked in. Okay, here's the crazy part. You probably already have everything for this at home. The secret isn't fancy ingredients. Well, it is a little bit. It's about techniques. And if you have a grill pan, even better. More char, more flavor. A regular skillet works as well, but if you want to purchase one, you can grab a solid grill pan for under $30. I link a few good options below the description for you, so check them out if you're interested. If you want more recipes like this, few ingredients, one pan, big flavor, please hit like and subscribe. I'm keeping these practical. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Now watch my other videos on the screen, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay healthy and take care.